Whew. God, my hands are cold. Huh? Oh, here. My lips are cold too.
Well. Zoey, you're a little minx, aren't you?
No! No!
Oh, I got you. Is it warm yet?
I don't understand. It's not Jinu, right?
Maybe a fan who will fall under the spell of a love potion?
What?
I'll be your idol, keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat with a fee in your head. And if I never play another verse, I can be a sanctuary. No, I'm the only one right now. Oh, nothing more than it.
A nice couple.
A nice game. Hey, why is it romance that goes to heaven?
A few moments later.
This is a brilliant opponent against you, Zoey.
I would gladly eat with him for the rest of my life.
2,000 years later.
Oh, that's a great idea. Each character has their own melody.
But I think something else was meant here. Those kitties again.
I adore cats.
I want to be a cat too. I would eat one like that.
Mystery.
In 2 days, the stage will be mine. With these purchases, this will be fun. Stay away from me.
Going somewhere.
Stop it.
It's not good for a girl to go to the store alone.
Especially in the evening, right?
I'll decide when to stop. Alright. Good luck with the concert. White day of all days.
Mira?
Huh? Stop. You won't see anything in me. And for some reason,
What was that all about?
Don't mind that. Everything's fine.
I can't see either.
Don't get up!
You got a mirror. I need to see. Huh? That's me? Healer Han.
We can fix this, Mira, for a small fee.
But I spent all my money on the shopping I did. The concert will be a disaster.
I've noticed that you constantly have money problems.
Wait!
This rehearsal must be perfect.
Got it. But where's Mira?
She should be here by now.
Sorry I'm late.
Huh? What were you fighting in, Mira?
I lost against 2 demons.
How did you lose?
Are they called friends?
That's not true at all.
But it's not funny.
Arriving late in these conditions is not acceptable.
But it's not my fault.
Ready?
Demon hunters, together in action. Confess it, you're trapped. Confess it, you're trapped.
What's wrong with her eye?
I feel sorry for Mira. No one wants to understand her.
My ears!
You can't escape.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm sorry.
You're ruining everything.
You can't show off to the fans like this. I need a replacement. Oh, I know. I think he's gonna slay.
That's terrible pressure on her. I couldn't handle it.
Your Bobby really can do anything.
You're replacing me?
She's so dramatic.
Can't I have some good luck for once?
Crying, are you Mira? I'm your fan! This is my moment. Mira!
Huh? You think I'm pretty?
What the heck happened to you?
Not again.
Everything is clear with your romance.
What? He's a good guy.
Pirates are not my type. Huh? Rumi! Would you go on a date with me?
Of course I would.
You're dumping me too? Oh, I'm so sick of this. Everyone is so shallow. This isn't fair. I thought my friends loved me for who I am.
Oh well, with enough money, you can do almost anything.
In this case, perhaps.
But the only thing that matters is my beauty. If I could get money and go back to how I was, and I think I know exactly what to do. You don't deserve all these awards, right, Rumi? With all this, I'll be even prettier than I was.
Hey, but taking this game away is cruel.
You should have been nicer to me, Rumi. Now it's mine. Here I come, Healer Han. Han! Do you accept these objects as payment? I need you to fix me.
Get ready to shine, Mira.
How can this madman help you?
You see, he did it once.
This won't hurt, right?
Are you afraid?
Of course not.
When you wake up, you'll be a new person.
I'm really starving. Yeah. What happened? Everything's a mess. This is what happens if you don't help a loved one in time. We've been robbed!
They took the trophies!
Our weapons were here. They took it! And my sword is gone.
Who could have done something like this?
I'll let the police handle this.
Don't you have any savings, gold, or a safe?
And should I tell you everything?
But you love me, right?
No. You sly fox.
If there was a robbery, we must check the security cameras. Pay attention to the screen.
You'll regret replacing me, fools.
Do you want to press charges?
Our own friend? Arrest her!
The demon has clearly taken up residence in them.
Are you ready?
Yeah? Of course. We can do this! Time to shine. How dare she come?
Mira! Would you marry me?
Well, I think these two guys are for her.
I told you, money solves everything.
What are you doing?
Do I look pretty?
You robbed us.
So what?
Go away.
I'm so sorry.
Officers, take her away!
You called the police? I did it because you all made me feel rejected.
No, I withdraw the charges.
Mira is too soft. If only she would get angry.
I agree, but she's doing a good job.
I'm sorry I acted that way.
We're sorry too, Mira.
And I would have never stolen your weapons. Here they are. Can we rehearse now?
I love them. I love endings like that.
Here we go again. Where are these treasures? What kind of treasures? Don't you know that there are treasures buried in our yard?
Why do you need more money? You can earn a lot at concerts.
It won't be superfluous.
For now, dig by yourself. I'll be back soon.
They will all be mine.
Demonic jokes. I get it.
Men's jokes. You don't get it. That's how you should have fun. And life isn't boring.
Oh, hell no!
Well, no. After demons, you can't scare us.
Huh?
Oh my, meme section.
It seems we are in for a hot show.
Met you in the summer.
These are my nightmares. Welcome. funny.
Okay. I'll definitely find more videos like this for you.
This isn't funny. They're making fun of me.
Come on, Zoe. It's funny.
You guys are so gross.
Real demons. What?
You stupid Nick!
Zoe, stay calm. We'll get through this together.
I'm gay.
Wait a minute.
No, they're.
Huh?
Zoe? Are you okay? Zoe?
Well,
Zoe? Are you alive? You have to admit, the video editing is superb. Zoe. Wait, I don't understand. Zoe.
I don't know. Oh, I want one too. Wrap it up for me. This is our perfect day off. This is how we like it.
Because of Rumi, you work without days off.
I'll be your idol, keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, good I see in your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse, I can be a sanctuary. No, I'm the only one right now. I will love you more when it all burns down. For the power, money go, change your game.
They're making fun of them.
That's funny.
No.
Wait.
Oh, it's old friends.
Now they've decided to ruin our lives too.
What?
Ooh! And you ended up here too.
Well, it would be boring without us.
Nani?
This is insane. They have our weapons.
Little rascals.
Oh no.
We are not that weak.
We managed even with 3 of us. They mixed everything up, even Friday Night Funkin'.
Little madmen, but at least they helped defeat him.
This red one clearly came from hell.
He's too cool.
Zoey, the winner.
Hee hee. Oh my, that was creepy.
Is that when you work without days off? It seems that today's internet connection will suffice.
New vlog, guys. We are finally here. Fantasy Lol Park.
And Abby's already embarrassing us. Can we just pretend we don't know him?
He just started.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's a new vlog.
These are our guys.
So, your name is Baby.
Yeah, that's his actual name.
I'm sorry, but kids under 12 can't ride 90% of our attractions.
What? It's a nickname. I'm over 400 years old. I've lived through your grandma.
Oh, that Baby. Did Jinu come up with that name?
And possibly your entire bloodline.
The guys were right. This park is amazing. The second ride is even better than the metal detector. I've never felt such emotions before.
There should definitely have been a baby in his place. This can't be harder than outrunning a guard with a backpack full of iron.
I'd bet the Cal wins. But bro, if you beat that thing, I'll bring you all the scrap metal from the junkyard.
Okay, let's go.
A few moments later.
My favorites.
Unflappable, beautiful.
Let's go, Mystery. You're almost beating that bull. Hold on to those horns like your whole life depends on it. Bro didn't last long on the bull.
No! How is that possible?
Yay!
But the bull didn't last either. So yeah, I brought him all the metal I could find.
Worth it. And just to be clear, the bull got aggressive first.
Meanwhile.
Mystery.
What?
We decided to try the shooting range.
Yes, I did it. I actually won a prize.
Congratulations. It's awarded to the weakest player. You missed every target 30 times in a row.
Well, consistency is a talent. But seriously, why does my chocolate cupcake blink at me?
Zoey, what's that interesting thing you're holding in your hands? It's moving too.
Don't make fun of me.
And where's romance?
Meanwhile.
Guys, I finally got into this portable toilet. Just wanted to sit for a bit. But honestly, it's not half as fun as the previous slide, or even the metal detector.
Romance. How can you not be ashamed? Ugh.
And the smell? Definitely not my perfume.
1 hour later.
Bro, what is this? What's going on? Is this some kind of ride?
You bumped me again!
That was a love tap.
A love tap?
I love car fights.
We have enough fights as it is.
I flew out of the car!
Then fly back, loser.
Oh, I will. Straight into you.
Meanwhile.
Took revenge.
I think it's time for them to stop going into the forest.
Are they constantly being chased by an owl and a deer?
We dedicate this last song to our fans. Sing with us. Ow! Oh no. No, please, not now. Come on, everybody. I remember something similar happening to her.
It's difficult to be a half demon.
Yes, that's it! Can't hold it back anymore. Oh no, I'm losing control.
What's wrong with her? Those marks. Is she?
I'm coming, Rumi.
So it turns out we are no longer hostile to you.
Am I a fan of a demon?
It's not what it looks like. Mira, we have to help her.
Zoe, no! Can't you see it? She's a demon!
Mira is right, Zoe! This is what I am! Sorry for hiding it from you girls! Now run!
I can't imagine how we could help her.
Hugs, yay.
Mystery!
Get out of here!
I reconsidered! This new room is so cool!
I don't want to hurt you! You must run!
What the heck is going on? Careful!
But for the audience, it's the best show, hee hee.
Rats? What? Rumi?
No!
No, it can't be! Not you, Rumi! Huh? What the? The media already published this?
Oh, Bobby, he's worrying more about the fans again.
Rumi, I know it's hard, but you need to control yourself.
Do you think I'm not trying? I know better than anyone what happens when darkness takes over. That's why you must run before it's too late.
Wow, this is the first time I've seen this.
Wow! Is this a new stage?
Damn it! What should I do to stop this? Maybe, if I rely on my fans' luck, they could save me. Your energy makes me fly.
That was a great idea.
She lacks inner light.
Rumi!
Wait! Girls, I'm sorry. I ruined everything.
Rumi, we can talk about this.
Leave me alone!
I would never leave a friend alone.
We know you, Rumi. We know you'd never hurt anyone.
Zoe, you're so nice and kind.
I know. Hee hee.
No, you don't know me.
Don't move, Rumi! Hold still!
Huh?
You have to go now! Hold her!
Get your hands off me!
Hold her tight!
It's a shame I'm not there. I could handle it.
Oh, come on!
Strong!
Wait, what are you going to do with her?
I'm sorry, girls, but the Rumi you know is gone. And for everyone's safety here, we've decided to do what's necessary to keep us safe.
You're finally under my power, Rumi. I told you that would happen.
Wow, you know how to summon the boss?
Wow, we do.
No!
Zoe!
This is so unfair!
Girls, please, help me!
We can't, and you know it. This is what's best for everyone.
Girls,
Do they want to cure her in hell?
A good hospital.
I will always carry you in my heart.
Oh, look at this!
Our beautiful Rumi. Wherever we are, you will always be our memories.
I know you liked everything. Like, subscribe, and watch the next video, or I'll find you.